Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera scene optimizer on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Okay, so first let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app, and in here we're going to tap on the settings button at the top, and in settings tap on scene optimizer toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel to go in here. In here you can also turn on scan documents as well. If you turn off scene optimizer, you cannot control the scan documents. However, if you turn on scene optimizer, you can choose to turn on or turn off scan documents. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.